Brianna's Bananas Cooking Show. Here we go!
Hello everybody, it's Brianna! Or if you speak turkey, now you might be saying, it's not close to Thanksgiving at all. Why on earth are you speaking turkey to me? Well, I'm going to make you some special turkey burgers today, and I'm going to Tex-Mex it up a little. So I got some ground turkey. This is already Italian style, but I got some extra seasonings that I'll show you in a little bit. I'm going to put, it's going to roll off the counter, some black beans in it. I'm going to put some cilantro, some Worcestershire, some lime, some panko, 1 egg, and a bunch of seasonings, but we'll go over that. Then once that's done, I'm going to put some pepper jack cheese, I'm going to make a special mayonnaise, and tomato and avocado on a bun. And then I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to share it with Dustin and Jared, and we're all going to tell you how it is. So I hope you're ready. I'm going to get my apron on. Okay, got my apron on, so let's get started. Okay, before I do anything, I'm going to toast my buns. That's the rear. Toast them first so the pan is nice and clean. You don't have to clean it afterwards after you make the turkey burger and then toast it. Bun will be nice and ready to go. And then we can put condiments on it while we're waiting for the turkey burger. All right, be right back. Okay. Toasted me buns. This one got a little dark, got away from me. But the rest of them look fine. It'll be fine. It's fine. So I put half my package of turkey in this bowl. I forgot to mention I have a jalapeno. So I'm gonna cut this up a little bit. It's up to you if you want to leave the seeds in. I like the seeds. That's where all the heat is. If you don't have the seeds, there's nothing to a jalapeno. So, cut this up kind of small. It's up to you if you want to do the whole jalapeno or just half. I might just do half. Cut up this lime. Let's do half of it. Some of this cilantro. Bunch it all up. Cilantro looks strangely curly or Italian. I don't know, it looks different today from the store. But it smells like cilantro, so I guess it is. If you want, with this other half of the jalapeno, you can cut it up and save it for the top of your burger. If you're a spicy kind of person. Raw jalapeno kind of messes with my stomach lately, so I might skip that. Okay, so we got my jalapeno, some lime, some cilantro. We're gonna juice it up and put some Worcestershire, or as Nebraskans say, Worcestershire. So splash it in here. Depends on how much you like it, I guess. I just did 5 splashes, I guess. Salt and pepper. Okay, for my seasonings, got some cumin, got some chili powder, And I got some dill weed, because I like dill. Some Italian seasoning, because it's got a lot of good seasonings. Even though this is already Italian style turkey, make it a little more Italian, I guess. Italian Tex-Mex. Some cumin. Chili powder. Lots of that. Lots of chili powder. My dough. Okay, that's it for seasonings. I'm gonna take some of this panko. Just do like a handful so it doesn't dry out your burger too much. And then we're gonna moist it back up with an egg. Some of you guys don't like that word moist. But it's a good descriptor word sometimes. Gotta keep things moist. Okay, mush this up with my hands. Okay, here's my mix up close. So this is a ½ pound of meat, so I'm gonna take this, cut it in half. It's a pretty big burger. I mean, geez. Maybe I'll cut it into thirds. Whew. So this is a third of my mix. It's a pretty big burger. I flattened it out though. As flat as I can. And then put it back in here for a second. Flatten another one. You guys, you let me forget my black beans. Dang it. All right, we had everything but the black beans. Like half that can. Everything's in there now. We're gonna make patties, and that's that. These are pretty moist feeling. So that's a good sign, right? Okay, I just have a little bit extra. I'm not sure what to do with that, but. Okay, so my patties are ready. I'm gonna get these on my little pan, cook them up, and then we'll get the buns ready. Okay, while my burger's cooking, let's get some sauce together. So, this is not just any old mayo, this is whipped dressing. It's got like some seasonings in it, it's a little bit spicy. Kind of smells, just doesn't smell like your ordinary mayo. So, 2 little plops in there, and we're gonna mimic the seasonings that we put in the burger. We'll put a little bit of cumin, some chili powder, and some dill. And there's that. If you want, you could just take some mayonnaise and some like Cholula or your favorite hot sauce or whatever, mix that together and make it like a spicy mayonnaise. Cooking is all about your own preference, how you like things, so make it how you want. The first one off kind of fell apart on me, it was too moist. So hopefully this one's a little better. It probably won't be, but we'll see. It's okay, it's all gonna be on a bun. So, put my sauce on my buns. I took this avocado, half an avocado, and I squished it so it can like spread on there instead of like avocado slices on your burger and you eat it and it like all squishes out the other end. It'll be like spread on your burger. Got nice big tomato slices. If you're gonna put tomato on your burger, get the big tomatoes. Those are the best. I'm gonna put some cheese. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put cheese on this. What's wrong with me? We'll flip this and see how it goes. It's falling apart. Oh man. Nope. Oh my god, you guys. That one totally fell apart on me. I don't make turkey burgers often. This might have been the first time. May or may not be the first time. So, next time you guys make this, put some more breadcrumbs in there. Smoky in here. I made it really smoky. My bad. So I'll come back once I assemble all these burgers. Hopefully it all stays together. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, got them all assembled. It looks a little messy right now, and it's going to be even more messy when I cut them in half, so we'll see how this goes. But hopefully the taste is there, am I right? So let's get Dustin and Jared in here. We're going to taste it. Okay. Okay, we're all ready.
Here we go.
Here it goes.
Very good.
It sure is moist. It's just really messy.
Yeah.
Is the only
It's
problem.
got a lot of flavor. It's really good.
All right. It's got a lot of flavor.
Flavor. Definitely.
Would you guys do
Tender.
anything different about it?
No. Good.
Okay. Would you call it Tex-Mex?
Yeah, a little bit. I like the avocado on it, or guacamole.
Yeah, let's just go avocado.
Well done. Very good.
All right. It's good with those beans in it.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Adds another little like extra beany texture, if you know what I mean.
No. We're good.
All right, I'm glad it tastes good. If you guys try this, put some more breadcrumbs in there so it sticks together.
Yeah.
Or just use some more meat and just one egg. So it's like ratio is a little better. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Get in the kitchen and do something. That's what we say.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you next time with another crazy video. And like and subscribe and all that stuff.
Got her.
Leave me comments. Engage with me on YouTube. Please. Okay. See you next time. Bye.